Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Swapna. I'm here to share my experience regarding Shiva Shakti Nadi Astrology, Nadi Astro Service. This dates back to 2017 when I consulted VR Shiva Shakti Guruji to seek my Nadi leaf when my life was in utmost trouble. So at that time I had a lot of confusions because regarding my job, regarding my love life, regarding my marriage and whatnot. So I was totally confused when I came to consult him. So what he did was, when I came in, he got my left thumb imprint, and he said that he will go and search for my Nadi leaf. So once he got my Nadi leaf, he asked me to come back the same day in the evening. So when I came, he selected my leaf after asking series of questions, and he said me that I should answer only yes or no. I should not reveal any of the details. So when I said yes or no, he found out the appropriate leaf of mine, and then we started. So he started reading my leaf. So many things were so surprising for me because my past were accurate and to the point. Because we are twins. So after us, there was a daughter born for my parents, and she passed away. She passed away after 2 days of being born. So no one can even they cannot predict it. They cannot do some magic and find it out, because even I forgot that. So it was so surprising when he said that I would have had a younger sister who will not be alive at this moment. So that was the first shock for me. So, and the second thing was, I was not very spiritual person till 26 years of my life. He said that you will meet someone like your guru after your 25 years. So at the same time I became a devotee of Shirdi Sai Baba, and even that was a very surprising thing for me. So after that he started continuing to read my future. At that time he said about my love life. He said you will be having a lot of confusions, and this life might not be a stable life for you, and he asked me to do a parigaram for this. So what I did was, at first, like everyone, I did not believe it actually. So I thought everything will be fine someday. But as per what he said, the things changed in my life. Like my engagement was on January, and still we had a lot of confusions regarding marriage. I was I was thinking about this parigaram at that moment. And then what happened was, one fine day, me and my husband, we were about to break up post engagement. So that's when it struck me. So I did the remedial measures, which as per his advice, and to the surprise, everything turned out well. And post marriage, touch wood, the life is so happy. Then he said at around 28 years, you will have a baby, and he was so accurate to the point that he said that you will have a girl baby first, you will have a female child followed by a male child. So at 28 years, now my daughter is now 3 months old. So it was a very surprising one. I had a daughter. So till now, whatever he said in my life is happening. Mr. Shiva Shakti Guruji is a very planned person. He never gives too many appointments just because he wants to read it perfectly for each client. He never manipulates things, and he's a very kind person. This is the best experience in my life, and I will strongly tell you that this is the best place for such experiences in life. So I wish people should use this divine science to know about their future, to do remedial measures and live a happy life.